Hey everybody, how's it going? So we got a quick unboxing slash unbagging to do from an item I picked up from eBay. I believe it is for the 8200NEX stereo from Pioneers. Please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smoosh the bell notification icon. Alright, so let's get this bag cut open. Okay. This is the wire harness that is needed for the stereo. So the red 12 volt. These actually have writing on them. So this one's 12 volt ignition switch. Black solid is ground. Purple with the stripe. Right rear. Left, right, negative for the speaker. So this is the wire harness. There's nothing else in this bag. And I will grab the stereo real quick to show you guys. So I have this wire harness installed in my other truck, which this stereo came out of, which I have another one of these right there in that package. That should be the AVIC 8200 Pioneer NEX unit that I picked up on eBay. So this plug should match this port right here, and it does. It locks in. So this little tab covers the 10 amp fuse. There's a 10 amp fuse right here. That's what this tab is for. So this is the right harness. So I'm going to end up putting this stereo back in my SR5 because I actually got some stuff in the mail particularly for this. So to show you guys, this harness right here is the two plugs that are for a 2000 Toyota 4Runner for the stereo. So when I unplug the factory stereo, I'm going to plug these into the ports. This skinnier plug is for the speakers. This one is for the head unit. I'm going to need to wire these two together. So this plugs into the back of the stereo. This plugs into the Toyota harness, allows this stereo to function. So that's what this is for. As well as this light green one is the sense wire for the backup. So this is going to have to be wired to the backup camera, if I remember correctly. And the backup camera is also going to have to be wired to the reverse switch. So when you put the vehicle in reverse, it turns the backup camera on. That's going to have to be wired to the positive red and the solid black ground as well. So I got some wiring to do. Instead of putting this one in the limited edition 2000 4x4, I'm going to put this one back in the SR5. And then I'm going to put the one that I got from eBay, which is in that box, which is another one of these exact units. I'm going to wire this into the limited, put this one back in the SR5, and then I'll have 3 Pioneer AVIC 8200NEX navigation systems, one in the 2000 SR5, one in the 2000 limited 4x4, one in the 2005 Excursion. And I might be bidding on another one, to be honest. There is another one for sale. It's at like $500, which is not bad. These stereos brand new were like $1,900, almost $2,000, I think. The one I bought for the Excursion, I paid $2,000 with everything out the door. So these are not cheap. To get one for $520 is a killer deal, and to bid on another one for $560 is not bad at all. But this does fit this unit, so I can verify that it does fit. You guys saw me test it there on camera with this unit. So I'm going to put this stereo back up here. And I do have, from another stereo, from my AVIC P8400BH Pioneer stereo, which is just a DVD player. It does not do navigation. I have these brackets from that, which are the same brackets that are on the side of this stereo. So there you go. These brackets right here. Same brackets as these. So I'm going to install these on the new one because I'm not using the AVIC 8400BH stereo anymore. Because that one has the removable, you can actually you can push the switch at the bottom, take the screen completely off. So when I switched from that stereo in 2014 to the AVIC 8200 navigation system, the screen doesn't come off the navigation system. So there was a trade-off. I can either protect my stereo by taking the screen off, but it doesn't have navigation features, or I can, you know, lock nut my stereo in the dash, so you'd have to basically destroy the dash to get it out, and have a navigation system. So that was how that was set up. But just wanted to show you guys these two harnesses connect together. It's the third time I've done this stereo install, or this would be the third time I'm going to be doing this stereo install. I have a backup camera, lots of goodies and everything for this stereo. So it's nice that you can find these harnesses readily available. And this is a Pioneer harness, and the reason I can tell is because it actually says what they're for. So this one right here says amp turn on, 12 volt plus for the blue. If these were knockoffs, they would not have writing on these wires. So this one right here is positive RE plus for the right speaker. This one right here says positive left for the speaker. This one is front negative left for the left speaker. This one right here is left front for the main front speaker. So each one of these is individual for each speaker. So they have to be wired in correctly. But they do tell you, like this one is negative. This one's front negative. Right front speaker. So these are very easy to wire up. They tell you exactly what they're for. Like this yellow one is 12 volt battery. Some of these are hard to read. 12 volt battery constant. And then one of these is the antenna. Should be, I think, the purple or the blue. I think the blue is the antenna. Amp turn on is this blue. Right rear negative speaker is purple and black. You know, but one of these is an antenna, I just don't remember. But, you know, just a quick video, guys. Well, it's not quick. It's been almost 10 minutes. But I do appreciate you guys sticking around with me. No, sorry. kind of sick. Excuse me, it didn't go all the way up. The elevator stopped. But I do appreciate you guys stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe, smoosh the bell notification icon. I'm not sure that I'm going to do a video on wiring stereos. I know a lot of people think that wiring is boring. If you guys want to see it, you guys can leave a comment, let me know. Maybe I'll record it. This video is probably not going to be seen for another like 9 months or something. But I might record it. When I get half the wiring done, I can just, maybe I'll record a quick video showing you where everything's wired in at and everything like that. Do appreciate you guys' time. Like, comment, subscribe as always. Smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Also have a Ulsa Tools link below that will get you 10% off your order, Ulsa Tools. And I'll try to remember to put a link for eBay for these cables. If you guys plan on finding a Pioneer AVIC 8200NEX head unit, this cable actually functions on, I think, the 8200, the 8100, the 8001 NEX, the 6200 NEX, the 5200 NEX, 4200 NEX, and I think a couple others. So, you know, you should be able to use this on quite a bit of their stereos. This cable stops at the 8200 NEX because the next one is a W8300, 8400, and so on. I'll try to remember to put it in the links. If I don't, put it in the description below. Remind me, I'll go find it for you, and I'll put it in the comments when you guys see the video. Do appreciate you guys' time. You guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!